In this video, I will show you how to set up pre-orders on Shopify. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard and go to the Products section from the left-hand menu. Now, select the product you want to enable pre-orders for, or create a new product if needed. Once you are on the product page, scroll down to the Inventory section and make sure Track Quantity is enabled. Now, the important part is Shopify does not have a built-in pre-order button for all stores by default. So, you need to adjust your inventory settings or use a pre-order setup method. One simple way is to set the inventory quantity to 0, but keep Continue Selling when out of stock enabled. This allows customers to still purchase the product even if it is not available in stock. After enabling this option, scroll up and click Save to apply the changes. Now go to your online store and check the product page. You will see that instead of being blocked, customers can still place an order, which effectively works as a pre-order system. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.